Alright, SPY update. I haven't made a video on SPY in a while. If you look on the weekly chart, I originally, a couple weeks ago, had this as a double three. Clearly, it didn't pan out because double three would have just bounced here and gone lower. Instead, we got A, B, C zigzag pattern for the fourth wave of the overall fifth wave. So I think this is the beginning of the fifth wave, the final fifth wave. So the fifth wave of the overall fifth wave. And on the weekly, you can see we went from 410 all the way up to 462. So let's zoom in a little bit now. And on the daily chart, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, and then let's look at the fib retracement. Is this the right fib? Look at that. It goes to about the 0.38 fib. 4. And I think we will probably hit something like 470 to 475 for the first wave. So they could take it all the way up here to the top of the third wave if they wanted to. This is the first wave overall of the fifth wave. So I'm looking for about 470 to 480. I'll put it around 470. And then after that, we would be looking at a retracement to something like back down to 440 to 433. So if you're thinking about it like that, we have Powell come up to talk here in the next month, and he's going to raise rates in May. They've already made that clear. So what would you think would be the most likely scenario over the next month? We're finishing the fourth wave. We're probably going to be bullish all the way through April. This fifth wave will probably take us out here into early May. We'll hit 470 or so. And then we will drop back down to 440 to 435. That's my thesis right now. So 470, 435 to 440. Then we could hit after that 507 or so. And then let's see. Give you guys a rough estimate. 507. So we can go all the way up to about 540 to end this whole cycle in SPY, which started back in, when did this start? Started back in 1993. So I think the cycle will end, but based off what we're seeing here, I think that's more likely that we're going to hear Powell talk in May will be a correction back to 440-ish, and then we'll melt up during the summertime, probably into early fall. The third wave will take a while, and then we'll probably fall into the midterm elections, and then probably get one more gap up after the midterms to the 540 mark, and then maybe in 2023 is where the market actually falls apart. So that's kind of my thesis right now based on Elliott wave. Yeah, just a quick update. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think it's a pretty good thesis that nothing will happen until after the midterms because the Democrats don't want to have anything else bad happen? We already have inflation and supply chain issues. They don't want anything else crazy to happen until they have a chance to get reelected. So that's kind of my thesis right now. But I'll do an update here maybe every week or two. But I mean, it's not really SPY right now isn't good to update every single day. So probably give you an update here in mid-April or so. All right, like and subscribe. I'll talk to you in the next video.